Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We got them wings on the menu today. You know how we do it over here at All Wings Everything. I'm gonna show you guys how to make barbecue honey jerk wings. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen. Let's go. All right, let's do a quick roll call of what we got for today's recipe. Back here, we have our chicken wings. We have some chopped green onions here. We have some wet jerk seasoning. This is that Walker Woods. I love that Walker Woods. Ketchup, black pepper, honey, minced garlic, dry jerk seasoning here, liquid smoke, some thyme. We have some jerk marinade right there, and we have our barbecue sauce. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. We're gonna start off by seasoning our chicken with our dry jerk seasoning, our thyme, and our black pepper. And we're just gonna get that mixed in real quick. Just like that. We're gonna come across that with our jerk marinade, our garlic, our ketchup, our wet jerk seasoning, and our green onions. We're gonna go back in with our hands, get that mixed in real good. Oh man, that's looking good right there. All right, we're gonna sit this aside in the refrigerator for 30 minutes while we start preparing our honey jerk barbecue sauce. All right, so while our chicken is marinating, let's go ahead and start preparing our jerk barbecue sauce. We're gonna go in with our barbecue sauce first. Behind that, we'll go with our honey, our jerk marinade, our liquid smoke, and we're gonna dash this with some dry jerk seasoning. And we're just gonna get at a good mix. Man, look at that beautiful sauce there. All right, let's continue. All right, guys, so it's time to get to it. So we're gonna go ahead and pull our tray out. I typically like to hit mine with a little cooking spray, not much. Now we're gonna take our wings and we're gonna start placing these babies in our air fryer. All right, this air fryer looks like it has a decent sized basket. I was able to get about 16 to 18 wings in here. So we're gonna push our basket back in here. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna come up here. We're gonna set this baby on air fryer. We're gonna keep the temperature on 380, so you can put it on 375 to 380. And we're gonna cook these babies for 20 to 24 minutes. So I'm gonna go right in the middle and I'm going to do 22 minutes. And midway through the cooking process, we're gonna stop it, pause it, and we're gonna flip our wings over, all right? So let's get this baby started. We'll be back in 11 minutes. All right, guys, we're gonna pause it. We're halfway through. We're gonna pull this out. Guys, take a look at that right there. Them some jerk looking wings there. All right, we're gonna get these babies turned over. All right, so we're gonna stick these babies back into our air fryer for the remaining 10 to 11 minutes. These are looking good, man. I'm telling you, I can't wait to do quality control. Let's get them in here. All right, guys, you hear that? We're good to go. Let's pull this out. And man, those are some beautiful, beautiful jerk wings. Look at that, guys. Beautiful jerk wings. All right, so let's get back over to our cutting board so we can finish this up. Let's add our wings here. Man, I love this. I always love the color of jerk chicken wings, man. Or jerk chicken, shall I say. Now we're gonna take our barbecue sauce, add it like right here. We're gonna get that baby mixed up like this. Do a little shake it, bake it. You've been with me long enough, you know I like to shake it, bake it. Somebody called that out on me. Said I don't do that shake it, bake it no more, so I gotta bring that shake it, bake it back. Guys, take a look at that. Come on, man, knock it off. Let's go ahead and get these baby plated up so we can get in quality control. And there you have it, guys. Honey jerk barbecue wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control because these looking good. Let's go. All right, it's quality control time. Let's go ahead and bring our wings to the front of the congregation. Man, look at them barbecue honey jerk wings. Oh man, y'all already know what time it is. Oh man. Hey, look at before I even get into it, man. You know this. Hey, these groceries, dog, groceries. All right, let's go ahead. Oh, man. I ain't gonna say nothing. Y'all gonna be talking about he's showing out, and I am. I'm showing out. Hey, man. Listen, these babies are delicious, man. So I ain't gonna even get another one, because y'all already know when I'm dealing with that barbecue, get all over my mouth. Then I gotta put my elbows on the table. You know I'm from the South, we ate barbecue. We put our elbows on the table. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just lied, so I'm eating another one. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.